The 2026 BMW iX combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design for the ultimate driving experience. Its eDrive exterior sound enhances performance by offering a unique acoustic presence, while active pedestrian safety provides added protection through advanced sensor technology. Step inside to find a Harman Kardon Surround Sound audio system for immersive listening and a Sky Lounge panoramic glass sunroof for a bright, open feel. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge BMW today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 BMW iX. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection, and tire and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.